Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. I Jayati Chaudhary. Today I am going to discuss with you Social Studies of Class 4, Chapter 8, Soils and Agriculture in India. Please come to page number 60. Let's start. Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Soil consists of a mix of organic material and broken bits of rocks and minerals. Soil is formed when natural forces like sun, wind, and water break large pieces of rocks into small pieces. Strong winds scatter the broken pieces. Fast-flowing rivers carry these pieces, which are further broken down into very fine pieces. The fine grains of rocks form slate, which is deposited on the banks of the river. The most important quality of soil is its fertility. The fertility of soil differs from one place to another. Farmers add manure and fertilizers to make soil fertile. So in this chapter, first just now we have seen how soil is formed. So this is going to be a very important process, and it is going to take lots and lots of time. Now we are going to read about soils in India. There are 6 main types of soil found in India. These are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. First we are going to read about alluvial soil. The rivers of the Himalaya mountains and the Deccan plateau bring large amounts of slate with them. The slate is deposited on the river banks and at the mouth of the rivers where they meet the sea. This is alluvial soil. It is very fertile. Alluvial soil is found in most parts of India. It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Now we are going to see alluvial soil is good for rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize, pulses and jute. Among the 6 important types of soil just now we have come to see, alluvial is going to be the most fertile soil. Next we are going to read about black soil. This soil is black in color. It has been formed from the breaking up of lava rocks. It is also called black lava soil or regur soil. It is fertile and hold a large amount of moisture. Turn to next page please. Black soil is mostly found in the Deccan Plateau region. It is found in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. Next we are going to read about red soil. Red soil has a high content of iron, which gives it a red color. It is less fertile. Fertilizers have to be added to make it suitable for agriculture. Red soil is found in Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and crops like millets and groundnuts are grown in this soil. Next, we are going to read about laterite soil. Laterite soil is also red in color due to presence of iron oxides. This soil is not very suitable for agriculture as it is made of clay and gravel. Laterite soil is found in small areas in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. By adding manure to the soil, it can be used to grow tea, coffee and rubber. Next, we are going to read about mountain soil. Mountain soil is rich in humus. What is humus? Humus is dark brown or black substance which is made up of decayed plant or animal matter. This mountain soil is found in the hilly parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Crops grown in this soil are wheat, maize, barley, tea, coffee, etc. Last, we are going to read about desert or sandy soil. Desert soil is the least fertile soil. It is coarse and porous and cannot hold moisture. It is light in color. It is sandy with some clay. Desert soil is found in places where there is little rain. This soil is found in the third desert of Rajasthan and parts of Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. Date palms, barley, millets, maize, groundnut and chilies are some of the crops which are going to be grown in desert or sandy soil. Next, we are going to read about soil erosion. First, we have to know what is meant by soil erosion. The top layer of the soil contains many minerals. Cutting down trees and pulling out grass makes the soil loose. Heavy rainfall and strong winds remove the top layer of the soil. This is known as soil erosion. We can stop soil erosion by doing the following. First, we should not cut trees. That means avoid deforestation and encourage afforestation. Number 2, overgrazing of land by domestic animals is harmful for soil. Number 3, we should not use chemical fertilizers because they are harmful for the soil. Next, we are going to read about agriculture in India. India is one of the largest agricultural countries of the world. A variety of crops are grown in India. India has a favorable climate, monsoon rains, irrigation facilities and fertile soil. Crops grown in India. First, we are going to read in India. We have 2 cropping seasons. One is going to be known as Rabi crop, another is going to be known as Kharif crops. Rabi crops are sown in the winter months and harvested in summer. For example, wheat, gram and mustard. Whereas Kharif crops are sown in the summer months and harvested in winter. For example, rice, maize, jute and cotton. In your exam, this type of difference may come. difference between rabi crops, kharif crops, difference between food crops, cash crops. So while you read this chapter, read the chapter thoroughly. Next, we are going to see food crops. Food crops are the crops which most of the people have as their daily diet. For example, wheat, rice, pulses, millets and maize. Next, we are going to read about cash crops. Cash crops are the crops which are mainly used as raw materials for industries. These crops are sold in the market for making other products. For example, sugarcane, cotton, jute and oilseeds. Jute is also going to be known as fiber crop. It is known as golden fiber. A variety of products are made from jute such as carpets, mats, bags, ropes, etc. Come to next page. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha are the states where jute is grown extensively. Next, we are going to read about cotton. Cotton is a fiber crop from which cotton fibers are obtained to make cotton cloth. Cotton grows best in hot and dry climate. The main cotton producing states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Now we are going to read about Green Revolution of India. Today, India is self-sufficient in the production of food grains. Agricultural production have increased over the years. This is known as Green Revolution of India. Factors responsible for increased production are as follows. Number 1, irrigation facilities have increased, so more land has been brought under cultivation. Number 2, increase in the use of manures and fertilizers. Third, use of modern machinery in agriculture. Next, farmers have been provided with better facilities like loans, better quality of seeds and fertilizers. Last point, daily update on weather conditions is provided through radio and television. Now students, I will discuss some question answers and objectives with you. You can see them on the screen. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Now please read the chapter nicely and do the assignment in your social study interleaf copy. Thank you.